Here are two similar solids, A and B. The volume of B is 400 centimetres cubed. Is the volume of A approximately 1/4, 1/4, the volume of B? You must show your working. Well, if these shapes are similar, it means that the lengths will be in a ratio that will be consistent against the areas and the volumes. So we need to work out the scale factors. So let's start off looking at the linear scale factor of A to B. If A is 5, a length of 5, B is a length of 8, so that scale factor would be 8 divided by 5, which equals 1.6. So the linear scale factor is 1.6. The area scale factor is going to be 1.6 squared, and the volume scale factor is going to be 1.6 cubed. So if shape B is 400 centimetres cubed, in order to work out the volume of A, I'd have to divide this by 1.6 cubed. In the same way that if I knew that this length was 8, to work out the length of 5, I'd have to do 8 divided by my linear scale factor. So let's just test that. 8 divided by 1.6 equals 5. That worked. So now let's do 400 centimetres cubed divided by my volume scale factor, which is 1.6 to the power of 3 equals, and that gives me 97.65625. So let's say that the volume of this thing here is 98 centimetres cubed approximately. And then the question saying, is volume A approximately 1/4 of volume B? Well, if we compare 98 to 400, it's pretty similar to saying 100 to 400. So yeah, that's a quarter, 1/4 of that amount. So what I'd do here is I'd say 98 over 400 equals, let's do it as a fraction and see what that looks like. 98 over 100, 49 over 50 as, oh, sorry, I made a mistake there. There's 98 over the 400, so it's not what I had on the page. 0.245. Now, to turn that into a percentage, I times it by 100, which would be 24.5%. 24.5%, and that's near on enough, equal to approximately 1/4. So I think that's a pretty fair way to say that question's done.